Hello everyone. Today I will explain the correct way to use the manual breast pump. This guide is designed to be easy to understand even for first-time users, so please watch until the end. First, there are a few important things you must do before using the pump. Make sure your hands are clean and thoroughly sterilize all parts of the Sunny Key pump. Prepare in a quiet, relaxing place and take a moment to calm yourself before starting. Next, let's assemble the pump. Securely attach the main unit to the bottle, then correctly fit the silicone suction cup. Finally, fix the handle in place and check that all parts are firmly and properly attached. When using the pump, it is important to relax and sit in a comfortable position. Gently place the cup over your breast and press the handle slowly in a steady rhythm. Do not force it, maintain a comfortable pressure, and find a tempo that feels right for you. Breast milk not only contains essential nutrients your baby needs, but it also helps strengthen the immune system and deepens the bond between mother and child. Additionally, breastfeeding supports the mother's physical recovery after childbirth. This concludes the explanation. Thank you very much for watching.